Okay. Question number 9 I will solve here. Two circles intersect, listen it carefully, that sum is too lengthy but very short sums, that is question number 9. Question number 9 I will solve. Okay. Two circles intersect at a point at points B and C. Through B, two line segment ABD and PBQ drawn, and they intersect to intersect the circle ADPQ respectively. Prove that ACP equal to QCD. ACP equal to QCD. Okay. So first of all, how to draw? Two circles intersect at point B and C. One circle and another circle. They have intersect at B and C. They have intersect B and C. Okay. Now two line segment ABD and PBQ are drawn. So ABD and PBQ are drawn to intersect the circle ADPB. Okay. Prove that angle ACP equal to angle QCD. ACP. Now for getting ACP you have to join that angle ACP this side also, that is ACP, and QCD join CQ and PBQ. Okay. So that point is Q and CQ. Got it? QCD means this angle. Got it? Everyone? That figure, that two circles intersect at B and C. Two lines ABD and PBQ drawn. They intersect the circle A, P, C, D, Q. Now we have to prove that ACP, that angle equal to QCD, that angle. Okay. So I have joined AC, PC, CQ and DCD. Okay. AP and DQ. Now how can I prove? For consider AD chord AD. Consider the chord AD. Then what can you say? That ACP, consider the chord AP. Consider the chord not AD, that is AP. Consider the chord AP. Okay. Then what can you say? That angle ACP equal to angle ABP. Okay. Look at the board. AP chord, that angle ACP and that angle APB, these two angles will be equal. Why they are equal? Can you tell me why they are equal? That ACP and ABP, why they are equal? Angles in the same segment. Okay, this is the reason, angle in the same segment. Now consider the chord consider the chord DQ. Okay, so join DQ. Consider the chord DQ. Then it will be angle DQ. Look at the board. DQ chord means that DQ chord subtend an angle, that angle, that is DCQ or QCD, same angle QCD, angle QCD equal to, and again this chord have subtend another angle here, that is angle QBD. Got it? Up to this any problem? Up to this any problem? First AP chord means ACP and ABP are equal. Next time DQ chord DCQ or QCD and QBD. Okay. Now one thing students, this angle and this angle, ABP means that angle, and QBD means that angle. They must be equal. They must be equal as they are vertically opposite angle. But as they are vertically opposite angle, so these two are same. These two are same. So I have thought already discussed that theory. Ram equal to 2 and Sam equal to 2. It means Ram equal to Sam. Okay. These two are ABP and QBD are equal. At first you can write it that ABP and equal to ABP equal to QBD, because opposite, vertically opposite angle. Okay. So as they are equal, ABP equal to QBP. So this right hand side equal. So angle ACP must be equal to angle QCD. That is our required proved. Got it everyone? Or you need some more explanation? Tell me. Okay, oh my god, Riddhita, I have already sent it. Very good, Riddhita. Okay, I am explaining again. Surit. Any other students? Okay. So first, Surit, do I need to draw the diagram again, or that diagram will be, is enough? Tell me quickly, Surit. The diagram is enough, or I will draw it again? No need. Very good. Okay. Look at the board. First of all, okay, I am just rubbing this one and drawing this again. Two circles. They have intersect at B and C point. Okay. Through B, I have drawn two lines, that is ABP and DBQ. Got it? You have to ask that you are asked that prove that ACP, though that point is not P, that point is here, that point was P and it is D. Okay. You have asked that ACP, so ACP means you must have joined to that angle ACP. Now we will get ACP. QCD, so QCD means you have to join QCD. Okay. So question is ACP and QCD equal. To prove that problem, you have to join, that is construction, that needs a construction, that join AP and join DQ. Got it? Next, what about these two angle? ABP, QBD. These two are equal. ABP and QBD, they are equal. Why they are equal? Because they are vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angle means, Suhit, these two angles are called vertically opposite angle. We know that vertically opposite angles are equal. Got it? Next, now consider the chord AP. Consider the chord AP. So two angles ACP and ABP, starting A, ending P, starting A, ending P. So these two angles will be equal. These two angles will be equal as they are in same segment. Look at the board. A, starting A, C, P, starting A, B, P. They are equal. This point is clear or not? This point is clear or not? Okay, next, forget that is given as number 1. Next chord CD. Next chord DQ. DQ, just think about the DQ chord. So DCQ starting D and CQ ending at Q, and QBD. These two angles are equal, starting at D and ending at Q. So these two angles must be equal. These two angles must be equal. That's why QCD equal to QCD equal to QBD. Now ABP and QBD equal, because we have already proved ABP equal to QBD, ABP equal to QBD, we have already proved. So as they are equal, so ACP equal to QCD, because they are separately equal to another things. So if I given its K, let's suppose ABP equal to QB equal to K, so ACD equal to also K and QCD is also K. So separately these two will be equal, because right hand sides are equal, that's why right hand side are equal, that's why left hand sides are also equal. Okay, got it everyone? Any problem? Okay. So today I end this. Student, one question, sir, please. Okay. Student, I end this class here, and tomorrow I will wait for the assignment. Okay, Riddhita, all the questions should be right in the assignment paper. Got it? I expect that. Can I expect from you that? Raima also, yes sir, okay, Raima also doing very well. Okay, very good. Sneha, sir, I have uploaded question e-portal, have you seen it? Today's? So I have actually just some time before I thought that Sneha have uploaded a question. I have not seen the chat box section, okay. Today I will solve your question, must. Yes, I forgot that. Okay students, thank you, bye. Yes, assignment section. Okay, thank you, bye.